Welcome to our video today about creating hyperdocs. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps for creating a document. I'm going to start by showing you a hyperlink document, then teach you how to create your own hyperlink document, and finally at the end I will show you the steps for sharing it so that you can be submitted through Canvas as an assignment. So right here on your screen you're seeing a document called Self-Esteem Resources. This is a hyperdoc I created for a class. If you go over here and click under the blue, what looks like a hyperlink, the underlined blue text, sure enough it is a hyperlink. It will take you to a video. So we're not going to watch that video today, I'm just showing you the links. Also the photos are linked. When you click on them it gives you where it links and a way to get there. So down here we have another video. See, it says it's YouTube. Here we have an article. So we can click on this article and we can go to a website where we can read the article. So your links do not have to just be videos. Clearly you can see there also articles and various websites you may use as resources. Alright, so now that you've seen what a hyperdoc is, it's just a document with links. Now we're going to walk through creating one. So if you use Google Docs, you're going to be in the best situation for sharing it in Canvas, and because then you can also change it later, because what you really share is a link to the document, not the actual document. So let's go out here. So because I'm already logged into Google, I'm going to make it so you can see my little M over here. If you have a Google account, you just log into Google and then you go to the waffle there, and then we go to Docs right here. I'm going to create a blank document. You can also do this in Word, which I'll show you at the very end, but Google Docs really are the easiest to share. Okay, so now I'm going to give it a little title. I'm going to call it Ms. Bree's Hyperdoc Sample. Then I'm going to insert a table. Remember how my other one had like 2 columns and several rows? I like that just because it keeps it tidy. You can make this bigger or smaller by sliding this over. So this just gives me a place to stick a picture and then an explanation over here in this other box. So right here, let's say that we're going to put a link in about how to play soccer. So I'm just going to stick a picture. I'm going to search the web for a picture about soccer. Do I want a soccer ball or a soccer field? I'm going to go soccer ball, then I have to go down to the bottom and click insert, and it'll pop it in right where my cursor was. So now I have a picture there. Then I'm going to say, okay, let's find our resource next. You should probably find all your resources before you start your document, but I'm just going to kind of wing it as we go today. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to get a video for soccer drills. Soccer drills. 4 drills every soccer player must use. That sounds good. See if it actually works. It says he's the best soccer coach in the game. Of course, he's trying to sell us something. I'm going to watch the video.
Today I'm going to show you 4 quality soccer drills that you can use to improve your soccer.
Okay, so let's pretend like we vetted this video and we decided it was all legit. It's the video we want to use. It has good information in it. It's not just some weirdo who's never played soccer. When you're using your resources, you do want to be sure and make sure that they are credible and informative. So this is the one we're going to use. I'm going to go up here to its address. I'm going to right click and copy its address. Then I'm going to go back to my document. I'm going to make the soccer ball a link. So see how I clicked on the soccer ball and got the blue box. I'm going to go up here, see the little chain link right there? Insert link right where you think it should be. And then it gives me a place to put it. Then I right click with my mouse, paste my link in, and say apply. Now believe it or not, that's a link. So let me click over here, see how it shows up again. 4 drills, there it is. It'll take us there. You want to click on that. Make sure it does indeed take you there. That looks familiar, so I guess it works. Now we're going to go back here, and this is part of the assignment where you're going to write a review about this video. This video was produced by blah, blah, blah. He is the #1 coach for soccer drills. Okay, so clearly you're going to spell your words right, and you're not going to say blah, 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 or put those ... dots in there. Instead, you're going to write an actual review of the article, much like mine are here. So this is learn what you can do to help your child build a positive self-esteem. The presentation defines self-esteem, give parents tips, and explains how to use. So see my explanation here. This tells you what this article is about. So you are going to use your own words when you write these reviews on the side, so we know what we're getting into when we click. So if we had done our research properly about this soccer video, we would have a whole bunch to say about him, and then we would type it here. Now, what we don't want to do next is go right-click, paste, and paste the website address in, because that looks terrible. It's just tacky. It works. It'll take us there, but it's just tacky and looks terrible. So instead of doing that, we're going to go up here and highlight the word video. What you do is select it, go to link. Where's our little link? There he is, right there, insert link. Same as we did for the photo. We're going to paste our address in, say apply, and now the word video is the link, and we don't have to look at that www.youtube.soccerguy.blank. We don't have all that information there. We don't need it. So we can click on here. Let's see if it works. Sure enough, there it is again. Okay, so now we have linked the same soccer drills video to our little photo, and then to our review that would be much longer than what I've typed here, obviously. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Then you go down here and you insert another picture, insert image, search the web. Let's say this time we're going to do basketball. Find us a basketball. Click on insert, just down here in the corner. There it is. There's our next picture. Here we're going to type another paragraph and explain our basketball video. Then we hyperlink our basketball video. This is what you do. You just keep working down your table until you've inserted as many hyperlinks as you would like into your document. If at any point you need more rows, you can just put your mouse inside a box, right click, and see I can insert a row below. So now I have another row. Insert row above, I have another row again. That's just the basic table kind of things. Okay, so now once you're done, you're going to want to give it a title. You click up here. I'm going to go Miss Reeves Sample. I'm going to save it in your, it's going to save my drive because it'll be in your Google Drive, not in Mrs. Reeves' Google Drive, just yours. Okay? But here's where you do the steps so that you can share it with me in Canvas. So now I'm going to go share, and then I'm going to click Advanced. Right here, who has access? Private, only you, meaning only Mrs. Reeves can access it right now. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to say anyone with the link right there. And then if I say can view, that would mean if you send it to me, I can look at it. If you say can edit, that would mean if you send it to me, I can change it. Or if you say can comment, that would mean you can send it to me and I can type a comment over on the side. So this is the one I would like you to use. Anyone with the link can comment. And then you say save. And then here's the link up here. So then you right click the link and copy it. Now it is saved right there in your clipboard.